Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just unboxed 100 items out of a Bulq case. I couldn't believe that all this fit inside of a Bulq case, but it did. So let's go ahead and list it, see where I'm going to put it, on which platforms I'm going to sell it on, and how much money we're actually going to make. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so this is a Bulq.com case of toys, Legos, lots of Toy Story stuff. There was one Lego box, so they were right. There were Legos. Cool craft stuff like this knitting loom. My kids use these, and they're awesome. I love them. Anyway, 100 items were in this box. I paid $105, $30 to ship it, so I'm all in at $135. So each item roughly cost me $1.35. So I've got some mystery boxes I've been making on hookedonpickin.com that have been amazing, and I've gotten great reviews because I jam-pack it full of stuff like this. That's all in brand new condition. So some of that stuff was going to go there. So anytime we say mystery box, that's what we're doing, is we're putting it inside those. You can actually email me for if you want a specific item, and if I still have it in stock, I'll gladly put it in a mystery box. And then what we're doing now, though, is we're going to go through Amazon and see what can we merchant fulfill, and then what are we going to decide to just list individually on hookedonpickin.com. And then at the very end of the video, we're going to give you profit numbers on did we make back our $135. So Paul's going to grab the scanner, and we're going to just start scanning onto our Amazon Seller Central page to find out is it being sold Prime or not, and will I list it there or not, and if not, I'll put it on hooked.com. Yes. That one didn't even come up.
Yeah, it's just hard making slime.
Slime mystery box. See, that's how we do it. So we will have girls mystery boxes and boys mystery boxes, and they're primarily for elementary age, but we've done older than that. That one didn't pop up either, so that was a cool ink pen that has a microphone on the top. Not on there either.
Slime, glitter slime.
Glitter slime. Have glitter slime in your life. It's cool. I've even gotten some create your own slime ones that go in the mystery boxes. Yes, Pokemon cards. Let me see. It's got a really high sales rank, so let me just see what it's selling for. $9.99 free shipping. So I think we're going to put that Pokemon, because of the high sales rank, we're going to stick it in a mystery box. It'd be perfect in a boys mystery box. Yes, hold on one sec. Let me see if I can sell this brand. I cannot sell this brand, but let's see how much it's going for. We'll see if we'll list it individually. Relatively, I think it's a perfect size for a mystery box. It's going for, used to be $10, but it's gone down, and there's some on Prime, and I'm not going to be able to send anything in right now because of the COVID-19. So mystery box is number. Not on there.
Okay.
Small mystery box.
Buddy.
Is that the glow in the? Yeah. Not on there.
Try this one. So.
Okay. Not on there. Those are cool. Those are slime that you can has a whole bunch of these craft type things that you can stick inside the slime. And so one of them had googly eyes you put in the slime, which I think would make the slime look amazing and gross all at the same time. Okay. Yep. Yes.
Oh my word, they're on there.
I can't believe it. Sales rank though. Let me just see what they're going for. They're going for $18 free shipping, and so I think let's put them on Hooked on Pickin for $10 a piece individually.
Okay, well, they said 7 on top.
Mystery box, yeah. Then we'll let our people get a deal. Those are cool. They're wooden pull toy with building blocks. So you build something and then you pull it to see if it'll stay standing. So it's kind of really cool. Okay, go ahead. Oh, bubbles. Yeah, that's on there.
Got different colors.
This listing is an assorted listing, so let's see what they're even selling for. Okay, there's none that are Prime. It's actually not eligible for Prime, probably because of the bubbles, maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah, that's why. So $6.99 plus the $4.69 shipping. So I can sell them merchant fulfill for $6.99.
I'd do it.
Okay.
I'd do it.
All right. So we're gonna put them on
There's
Amazon.
no one that's merchant fulfilled that's doing free shipping, is there?
Let me look.
Because that would kill you.
Yeah. Let me look. No, I don't think so. There's only one left in stock, it says. Okay, 3 other sellers. No, they're all higher price. There is a free shipping person, but they're selling it for $13.
Okay.
So we're just gonna go $6.98.
Okay.
We'll just undercut that other person.
Got 4 of these.
And they're various colors.
Various colors.
Yep, quantity 4.
That's gonna go merch.
Yep. And then I actually already have a tote that has merchant fulfill stuff in it. So,
Cool.
all right. So $6.98, right? Yeah, $6.98. Hold on, I hit the wrong button. Times 4. $6.98 times 4. And I'm going to take the fees off after the fact. Okay, that one is listed. Okay, go. No picture and no sales rank. So
That's weird.
let's see. It's currently unavailable. So
Okay, why?
yeah, we're gonna throw
You know
Luigi
what? Can
in.
I try this on eBay just for fun?
Sure.
Just in case it didn't like get discontinued or something.
Okay, let's check eBay. Go. Not on eBay. Yep. So he's gonna go in a boys mystery box. Okay. I'm sorry if the mower is loud. Our son is currently mowing outside. So Paul, we are getting lawn work done while we're recording this video.
No, we're not paying you.
It's glorious to have teenagers. Okay, go. Yes. Is that bubble?
Different kind. I didn't know if it
It popped up under the same listing.
did it really.
Yes. So it says assorted styles and colors.
Okay, all right. Well, we got 2 more for merch then.
Okay, let me adjust that listing and make it 6 instead of 4. Save. Okay, we're good. Alrighty, next. Yes, Transformers. Let me see. I don't think I can sell this brand, but let me see what they're even selling for. Ages 3 and up. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna put this individually on Hooked on Pickin. There are prime ones, but they're going for $19 for this police car transformer.
Okay.
So why don't we do $9.99 on Hooked on Pickin with this one?
Okay.
So, police car one. I might actually have it already
I
on.
was wondering if you did.
Let me look real fast. Oh, I have some transformers.
Matt, you could
Just add it to the listing right
Right.
now. Let me check.
I bet you got it priced higher than even that.
Transformers. No, I have the yellow one, the red one, and the orange one, but not the blue one.
I
So,
got it set to the side for you.
okay, great. All right, ready, set, go. Not on there?
It's the shark.
We'll put that in a boys mystery box.
There's the Lego.
Okay. Yes, that is on there. Great sales rank. Let's see how much it's going for. $39.99 free shipping. Hold on. I don't think that it is Amazon Prime. Let me see if there's any Prime ones. There are no Prime ones.
Awesome.
We're going to list this one merchant fulfill. And $39.99, they have free shipping, and so I'm going to do a little bit less. I'm going to do $34.99 because I will charge shipping because of the way mine's set up. So $34.99, it is listed merchant fulfill.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's good money there in Legos.
Uh-huh. I love Legos. Especially when you find a complete set unopened.
Okay, here's another.
Oh, let me write that down. $34.99. Okay, sorry. Go ahead. Not on there. Oh, those are those scarf looms. Those are awesome crafting things for girls.
Mystery box.
Absolutely.
Okay. I'm guessing most of this will be mystery box, but I will scan. Right?
Okay. Yep. Yep. What are those? Those are wooden.
That was the cinnamon buns. It's like
Cinnamon.
play set for cooking.
Okay, cooking.
Kids cooking play sets.
Not on there.
On there. Got one more.
Nope. So those will all go girls play set. Probably girls mystery box.
I'm thinking so.
Those are cool. And they don't take up a lot of space. They'll fit nicely in a mystery box without taking up too much space. Whoopee cushions. Nope, not on there. Mystery box. Has to go in a boys one. Boys or girls?
Ready?
Yep. Not on there.
On there.
What is that? Oh, it's a doodle set.
I'm going to scan my gold bar.
Gold bar. Ooh, gold dig it. It's on there with a nice sales rank. Let's see. How much is it worth? How much is a gold bar worth? $8.99 free
word.
shipping. So we're going to put it in a mystery box. Should we put it in a mystery box or should we just put it for sale?
Find the gold. You could find pyrite, real gold, obsidian, or rainbow stone.
So you just want to open it and see what we find in it?
I don't know.
What's the things that you could find potentially?
I just read them off to you.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't listening.
You weren't?
I'm a terrible listener.
Okay. Mystery box.
Mystery box it is. You might get a gold bar in your mystery box.
Ready?
Yes. Not on there? What is that? Oh, yeah, the hat looms. I love doing those things.
Okay.
They're like therapeutic. I have a couple of those. Oh, yeah. My Little Pony girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's on there. Hold on one sec. Let's see how much she's worth. There are no FBAers, probably because you can't send any toys in.
Right.
And it's being sold for $707. So with
shipping?
Yeah, and they're charging shipping. So I'm gonna go $6.99.
Yeah.
$6.99. All right, that one's getting merch fulfilled.
Okay.
So there you go, My Little Pony girl.
Boom. Okay, now we got a ton of these.
What are they?
Are you ready?
Not on there.
Do you want to just look them up for fun?
Yeah. What are they?
Toy Story 4 Valentines.
Toy.
I just want to see if they pop up.
Valentine's.
Valentine sticker boxes.
Let me try one other way. No.
No? Well, let me scan on eBay.
Okay. Go.
We have so many of them.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Oh, boys.
All right, so they're selling them 2 sets of 20, so you get 40 party favor boxes, and they're selling them as Easter party favor boxes for $7.50 for 2, free shipping. That would be a good Easter gift.
Does it say Easter on the package? Because mine says Valentine. Does theirs say Easter?
Let me look. Theirs says Valentine, but they're listing it as an Easter one because of the time of year. Okay, let me go to completed listings and see if any have sold. None have sold yet, but this looks like a fairly new listing. So I think because they have stickers in them, let's just leave them for mystery boxes. Yeah, because each of the little boxes has 5 stickers, and so there's actually 100 stickers in each pack. So
Would be kind of a cool thing to get.
yeah.
I'm sure they were going for they were going for $3.50 a piece.
Okay.
So probably at Target is my guess.
Yeah.
I'm gonna scan the others and see if we can't come up
Okay.
with something.
So those are all the Toy Story ones.
Those are the Toy Story 4.
Okay.
This is the LOL.
Go ahead and do the LOL. I have it on eBay. LOL, same thing. They're trying to sell it for $7.50. Let's try it on Amazon. Go ahead. Not on Amazon. Okay. So same deal.
Alright.
All right. So we have just a few more things.
Just a few more.
Okay.
This was
Paw Patrol. Okay. Yes, that's actually on Amazon. No sales rank though. Let's see how much they're even going for. $3.50 plus $6 shipping.
Ooh.
Yeah, but there's no sales rank. My guess is because it's a brand new listing.
Yeah.
So let's just put them in our mystery boxes because that's 100 Paw Patrol stickers.
That's decent.
Yeah. All right. What else we got left?
Last thing right here.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep. Not on there.
Not on
And that's a Marvel party pack. You get 8 of each toy. Tons of toys in that. Be perfect. Yeah. All right. So we've got some things we put on Amazon, and then we've also got one thing I've already listed on Hooked on Pickin, right?
You have to list it.
I have to list it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add everything up and come back with you. Well, I can't talk. I can't talk right now. Okay, I'm going to come back to you with total profit numbers. Okay, so we're not rolling in the dough with this one. But let me show you where everything is going just before I give you this massively huge number. Not numbers. Number. Okay, so this is all the stuff that's going to go merchant fulfill that I've already got listed. You saw me list the bubbles and the little My Little Pony and the Lego one. And then, so that actually equals out to $69.90. And then I took 25% off her fees, which was $17.48, which brings me to roughly about $52. So I'm going to make $52 on this. Okay, so you can see why having Amazon FBA is definitely beneficial when you have new stuff, but I don't, so we're rolling with it. Then I'm putting this on Hooked on Pickin for $10, so I'm at $62 now. And then with everything else left over, I have got these cool like roller craft things, some slimy goo, and I've kind of got it separated out to boys and girls. You know, we may mix and match a little bit. So we've got some craft stuff and things like that. And then of course all of these fun sticker sets that come with 100 stickers each in cute little favor boxes. So those are really fun, and the little Marvel Avengers toys. So you know, don't worry, I'm not going to pack your whole box full of these things. I'm definitely going to make a variety. I've also got a couple of huge totes that I've already got other toys, Fortnite, Beat Bugs, figurines, Hatchimals, things like that are all going into some of the mystery boxes. So all of that added together, I think. But with this extra stuff, I think I can do about 4 more mystery boxes. I make about $20 a mystery box, so that's an additional $80. So I am at a total of $142 that I think that I can make after fees and such. And I paid $135. So I'm going to profit conservatively $7. But I have all this new fun stuff that I can stick in my mystery boxes. So even though I'm not making a lot of money, maybe you guys can get the benefit of getting a really awesome mystery box from me. So go to hookedonpickin.com. You pick boys or girls if you have specific things that you have seen me unbox, and say, hey, would you please put that cool wooden roller cart in my kids' mystery box? I can definitely accommodate it if I still have it in stock. So go ahead and buy those. Help me make more than $7. And hopefully it's been fun to see exactly where my profit numbers are on a brand new toy Bulq.com case that I unboxed, and now you have seen me list. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Watch more of my videos. Hit that notification button so you can see anytime I put a new video out. I do a live stream on Thursday and Friday if you want to chat with me directly while we're live. But I have also got clothing that I sell. If your toys isn't your scene, I sell a bunch of stuff on Poshmark, and I wrote an ebook on how to be the best Poshmark seller, and we are doing great on Poshmark. So check that out. I have a bunch of other reseller helps on hookedonpickin.com.